Hey there, welcome to Desk365. In this video, we're going to cover the basic setup you'll want to do so your help desk feels like home, from emails and Teams to the support portal, roles, ticket forms, reports, and more. Don't worry, I'll keep things super simple. Let's jump in. Before we dive into setup, let's quickly walk through how to get started with Desk365. Head over to the website and click Start Free Trial on the homepage. You'll be asked to pick a plan. You can go with either the standard or the plus trial. Both trials give you access to all the features in that plan, so you can explore it without limits. Once you've selected your trial, you'll land on the sign-up page. You can sign up using Microsoft Teams, or, if you prefer, sign up with your email to get started instantly. That's it. You're now inside your brand new help desk. Let's look at a few key steps to make it your own. First up, email, the most common way people reach support. When you sign up, Desk365 gives you a default support email, like support at your domain.desk365.io. Anything that lands here turns into a ticket automatically, but maybe you'd rather use your own email, like support@yourcompany.com. Totally doable, just connect it in settings. And here's something neat. You can add multiple support emails, maybe sales at, IT at, HR at. Each one can go straight to the right group, so your tickets don't get lost. Desk 365 works great with Microsoft Teams. You actually get two bots. The support bot is for your employees or customers. They can create tickets, check progress, and even close tickets without leaving Teams. The agent bot is for your support staff. It lets them reply, add notes, update ticket details, and manage tickets right inside Teams. No tab hopping required. And the fun part? You can brand the support bot to look like your own. Change the bot's name, add a short description, update the portal tab name, tweak the message button text, swap out icons, and even choose your own accent color. So instead of a generic bot, it feels like it's yours. Next up, the support portal. Think of this as your customer's home base. Here they can log in, submit tickets, see progress, check past ones, and browse articles, all in the language they're most comfortable with. You can dress it up with your own logo, favicon, background image, and colors so it matches your company brand. And of course, there's the knowledge base. This is your self-help library where you can publish guides or how-to articles. You can organize them by category, decide which ones are public, and let customers give feedback on what's helpful. A good KB means fewer tickets for your team and faster answers for your users. Now let's talk about who does what. Groups are your departments or teams, like IT, sales, or billing. Tickets get routed to the right group, and you can even set different business hours for each one. Custom roles are about permissions. You decide what each role can see and do. For example, can this role see all tickets, only their group's tickets, or just tickets assigned to them? Can they run reports, change settings, edit ticket fields? It's all up to you. Ticket fields and forms. Tickets don't have to be just a subject line and description. With custom fields, you can add drop-downs, text boxes, check boxes, whatever info you need. You can then group these fields into ticket forms to keep requests organized and make it easier for customers to share the right information from the start. Some requests need a thumbs up before moving forward, like issuing a laptop or making an equipment purchase. That's where approvals come in. You can create workflows so certain tickets pause until someone approves them. Approvals can be one after another, sequential, or all at once, non-sequential. Super handy for adding a quick layer of control. Reports and dashboard. You can't improve what you don't measure, right? Desk 365 gives you two powerful ways to track performance, the dashboard and the reports section. The dashboard, right on your home tab, gives you a quick overview of what's happening in your help desk. Open and pending tickets, response and resolution times, knowledge-based stats, tasks, and survey results. For deeper insights, head to the reports section. Here you can analyze ticket trends, survey feedback, and productivity metrics. Filter by agent, group, ticket type, or channel. Save custom views and export your data for further analysis. Now, if you've got a lot of tickets, being able to quickly search, filter, and organize them is key. When you're handling lots of tickets, finding the right one quickly makes all the difference. Desk 365 gives you powerful search options to help you do just that. You can search by subject, ticket number, description, replies and notes, attachments, custom ticket fields, or even contacts and companies. Need to include older records? Just turn on Include Archived Tickets. If you're looking for something specific, enclose your query in double quotes to use an exact match, or simply type your keywords to perform a broad match that returns all relevant results. When you want more control over what you see, that's where filters come in. You can filter tickets by status, priority, SLA, agent, group, channel, or any custom fields you've added. Combine filters to get a focused view, like all open tickets assigned to a certain team or high priority ones waiting for a response. If you often use the same set of filters, you can save them as a custom view. That way, instead of setting filters each time, you can open your saved view and see those tickets right away. Custom views help agents and managers stay organized, whether it's tracking urgent tickets, monitoring a specific group, or reviewing tickets waiting on customers. You've now got the essentials of your help desk setup covered, from tickets and forms to reports in your support portal. But that's just the start. Desk365 also offers advanced tools like automation, SLAs, and AI, features to help your team work smarter and deliver exceptional support. You can explore each of these in detail through our dedicated videos available on the channel. To wrap up, here are a few quick tips. Start small. Add only the custom fields and forms you really need. Use groups and roles early so tickets don't get messy. Keep your knowledge base fresh. It'll save you tons of tickets. Check reports regularly to catch bottlenecks before they grow. That's it. You're now ready to configure the basics in Desk 365 and make it your own.